Hello guys, welcome to iMobie YouTube channel. If you are a Samsung user and you just forgot your device password, then it's not easy to unlock the device. So in today's video I'll discuss about how you can easily unlock a Samsung device. Here in the first method, just open Samsung Find My Device. Here log in using your Samsung account, then hit Find My Device option, and here your all devices are listed. Choose any device, and then hit the Erase Data option, then your device starts erasing and your lock is removed. You have to log in into Find My Device in your computer or PC. Here you have to log in with the same Gmail as in your device, and after login into Find My Device, here you get some basic details of your device, like device model and how much battery left in the device. Below these options you'll find an option called Erase Data. So here you have to click on that option and your device will start erasing and your password is being removed from your device. Here in the third method, just download DroidKit on your PC and then click on Screen Unlocker option and sidewise connect your device to your PC using USB cable and then hit Start option. After that all files will be prepared and then hit Remove Now option. Further follow these steps on your device. And after all these steps your device's screen lock starts removing automatically, and at last your device starts as a new device. Just set it up. So thanks for watching the video and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Leave a comment if you have any query.